pathetic, man. They're just growing the whole teeth. You supposed to turn around looking stuff like that. Now I gotta get that image out that forehead. That's like shit, an old lady shout. Come on in, baby.
Alright guys, it's your boy Christian Perez back at you with another video. So in today's video, I'm in my lovely city of Tampa. You guys know that we do all these challenge videos. We've done the wifey cut challenge, we've done the Walmart cut challenge, but this one's gonna be the Barbers Impact Challenge. I'm trying to make an impact in my community. I want to do something positive. I want everybody out there to do something positive and go out and just do anything, whether it be cut at a homeless shelter, go read a book at a school, anything you can do to have a positive impact in your community. Make sure you hashtag Barbers Impact. Stick to the end so you can see who I'm going to challenge in this video. So you guys know, like my saying that I like to say is that it doesn't matter, but this time, it matters. So I'm here at New Beginnings in Tampa, Florida. I came over here to do some haircuts, help uplift these gentlemen's spirit. It's amazing what a haircut can do. But I wanted Mr. Kevin here runs New Beginnings. I wanted to explain what the purpose of this place is, how long it's been in existence, how many members, so on and so forth.
We are a faith-based Christian life recovery program / veterans program. I have 100 beds. We take all walks of life that are homeless or need help or need to get off the streets. I have a contract with the Veterans Administration to house veterans temporarily, up to 60 days, sometimes 90 days, and we use outside people with grants to get them housed. They have to look for jobs, and in the meantime, getting a haircut sure helps. And self-esteem.
Is there anywhere that people can go that are watching the video to go donate or to?
Just go to New Beginnings of Tampa and you can make a donation. That sure would help our program because it isn't funded. It's hard to get funding
non-profit organizations. So right. Guys, if you guys can donate anything helps to help continue to move this along and any improvements that they can do for these civilians and veterans that are in need.
Another Tito Beats production.
Alright guys, so check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it inspires you to go do something positive in your community. Go impact change in your community. Go make a difference. Any small amount, if we all do it, creates a ripple. And the ripple creates a wave, and hopefully it just makes change across the country, across the world. I don't know, maybe I'm being silly and I'm being wishful, but I'm hoping that this really just catches fire and goes off. So with that being said, I have a platform and I'm trying to use it for positive change, but these gentlemen definitely have a much bigger platform than me. So without further ado, I'm calling out Chris Basio. Go do something positive, bro. And I'm calling out 360 Jeezy. So with that being said, if anybody tells you you shouldn't do anything positive in your community, or that you shouldn't try and impact change, or you shouldn't try and make a difference, or that the value of a haircut can't make somebody feel better, you tell them I said, it doesn't matter what they think.